Next, pollution from Welsh rivers is not just damaging life inland, it's now suffocating our sea, according to campaigners. A major new report by Natural Resources Wales has found that more than half the protected species and habitats along our coastline are in poor condition, with dissolved nitrogen from slurry and wastewater a key concern. Here in South Wales, areas like the Pembrokeshire Marine Special Area of Conservation, home to around 90% of Welsh seal pups, are among those affected. There's growing support for action, with 87% of people across Wales backing tougher government measures to tackle river pollution. The Welsh Government says it's acting on all the recommendations from its pollution review and will strengthen environmental laws to protect our rivers and seas. Bird flu protection zones are now in place in 2 parts of Wales after new outbreaks were confirmed this week. One case was reported near Haverfordwest, Pembrokeshire, and another in Wrexham. Stricter measures are now enforced within a 3-kilometre radius of each outbreak to stop the disease spreading, with a wider 10-kilometre surveillance zone around them. Within these zones, all bird movements must be recorded, birds kept indoors are isolated, and any carcasses disposed of according to strict rules. The government says the steps are necessary to protect animal and public health. Almost 100 protesters gathered outside the Senedd to voice strong opposition to a new water park. The attraction, set to open on the 5th of July at Cosmoston Country Park in the Vale of Glamorgan, has sparked concerns about water quality and its impact on precious local wildlife, especially as it was moved due to water quality issues in Cardiff Bay. Educators and locals alike expressed devastation about taking from wild spaces. Vale of Glamorgan Council stated they've worked with various agencies to ensure the lake is safe for the water park's opening. And an archaeological dig right under popular playing fields in Cardiff has unearthed something extraordinary: an ancient Bronze Age burial ground. Volunteers at Trelai Park near Caerau Hill Fort have uncovered cremated human remains, potentially dating back over 3,000 years, next to what could be the earliest house ever found in Cardiff. Dr. Oliver Davis, co-director of the Caerau Heritage Project, described the discovery as hugely exciting, offering a direct window into the lives of Cardiff's earliest residents.